How to fix Epic Games error code IS-MF01, specifically 3232. But this is actually quite similar since it's an installed failed error. So when you encounter this issue, you will receive the following similar full error message. So a file access error has occurred. Please check your running processes, or error code IS-MF01 or 3232 or 183-13892, or something similar to whatever this starts with. But anyways, the IS-MF01 error generally indicates that the file failed to relocate successfully. You may encounter this issue while installing a game due to the launcher's unable to relocate a file while downloading. So the solutions are to disable applications in the startup in Task Manager, run the program, install and uninstall troubleshooter, and then contact Epic Games Player Support Team. So those are the three options. So first is the disable applications in the startup tab and Task Manager. So background applications may be interfering with the Epic Games launcher, so in this case you can disable applications in the startup tab in Task Manager. If the problem seems to be resolved, then it's safe to assume that something you're running in the background is triggering the Epic Games error code. So to isolate the problem, you can enable the startup applications one at a time until the problem returns. So the next is to run the program install and uninstall troubleshooter. The solution requires you to run the program install and uninstall troubleshooter from Microsoft. The wizard is designated to help you automatically repair issues when you block from installing or removing programs. It also fixes corrupted registry keys. So if nothing works for you though, you can contact Epic Games Player Support Team and hope for the best. You can do this in their official websites, in Epic Games, directly. But anyways, hopefully one of these solutions can help you, and the video can help you as well. So if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.